MIT App Inventor is a high-level block-based visual programming language. It allows newcomers to create computer applications for two operating systems, which are iOS and Android. It is free and open source released under dual licensing, a Creative Commons Attribution Share Alike, and a Apache license for the source code. Its target is primarily children and students studying computer programming. Through MIT app, we will create a to-do list. There are 3 labels in this screen 1, which are text for label 1, label 2, and label 3. First, text for label 1 is named as to-do list. And after that, we will put a text box. The second label is named as date. And also, we will put a text box under this text. Last, we will put the label 3, which is time. After that, we also put a text box for time. After that, I will put a button, and the text for a button is changed to submit. Lastly, I will put a list view, and inside the list view, I will put 3 TinyDB, as these 3 TB are included in to-do list, date, and time. First, I will start with variables, which initialize global name to task. This block is used to create global variables which takes in any type of value as an argument. Then I will choose from the list which create an empty list. It creates an empty list with no elements. Then I will continue by choosing the button 1. When button 1, I will click the add items to list, and the list from the variables which is to get the global task. In the get global task, this block provides a way to get any variables that we may have to create. Then is choosing the text box 1 as text in the item. After that, I will choose TinyDB1, and in tag, I will choose DB task, and value to store, I will get global task. In this block, I can type things that I want to do. After that, I will repeat the step before, which is add item to list, and the list is different, which is global task, and the item is from text box 2. Secondly, I will call TinyDB2, and the tag is also as DB task. Then the value to store is also get global task. In these blocks, I can type the date that I want. After that, I will repeat the step before, which is add items to list. The list is same, which is get global task, but the item is different, which are from text box 3. To call TinyDB3, which the tag is also same, which is DB task, and the values to store is get global task also. Last, after 3 of these blocks are set, I will choose set list view 1 elements to get global task.
Next, we build a list view block. List view component serves as a versatile tool for displaying lists of data in this app's user interface. After clicking the list view block, we choose remove list item. Remove list item blocks are used to remove an item from a list at a specific position. For example, we already done the task of the to-do list. We can just delete the task by tapping on it. Next, we select the TinyDB block and put inside the list view block. TinyDB is a non-visible component that serves as a local database for storing and retrieving data persistently within an app. Then we choose the block set list view 1 elements to get global task. Then we select the block for screen 1. The block when screen 1 initialized event is typically used to perform initialization a task or set up action that we want to happen when the app starts up. Then set the global task to the database. Lastly, set the list view one element to global task. Then we try to build an Android app to test our result. You can also download the apps by scanning this QR code. Now, let me do some demo of our apps. Firstly, you can write anything you want to do, then write the date. Lastly, we write the time. And press the submit button. Then we can see the to-do list shown down there. If we already do the things, we can just tap on it and delete it. In conclusion, MIT Apps Inventor is a user-friendly platform that empowers individuals, particularly those without prior coding experience, to create mobile applications for Android device. Its visual drag-and-drop interface simplifies the app's development process, allowing users to focus on their ideas rather than coding intricacies. With its education focus and accessibility, MIT Apps Inventor democratizes apps development, making it accessible to a wider audience and fostering innovation in mobile technology. Thank you.